What it do, traders? What it do, traders? Happy Friday. Welcome to the show. All right. Check 1 2, check 1 2. Coming in live from Ontario, California. Happy Friday, everybody. Jesus. Hope everybody had a great week. It's been a very interesting, powerful week, especially off those NVIDIA earnings where the market has taken off and we are now sitting at all-time highs. It's kind of crazy being way up here. So it feels like it's going to be short-lived. But we've been proven wrong the entire run up. So let's just have some fun, trade when we can, see what positions we have open, and make it a great day. All right. I'm going to shut this down. See if it doesn't skip on us today. All right, traders. Well, let's get ready for the day today. See what the day's going to bring for us. Let me turn this down just a bit here so it's not like coming through my headphones so loud. Yeah, we're going to deal with a little bit of that today. Turn this down a little bit more. Because when you have background music, you got to deal with the background music of stuff as well. Stop messing with that. I keep messing with my mic. I don't know why I keep doing that. All right. Here we go. So let me minimize this. Tradecasters looks good. Yeah, it looks like I'm having a little bit of lagging issues today too. All right, I hope I don't mess with that. All right, team. Well, let's see what we got. We've got Boeing selling off pretty hard today. AMD continues higher. Tesla, we're trying to get our calls to print today. We're not sure if we're gonna be able to make that happen or not. Let's try to close some more stuff here that I have open. Hopefully that works. Yeah, it looks like we're having some lagging issues today. That sucks, man. Okay, all right, guys, let's just do what we can here. Verified investing. Let's go check that out. Go over the morning stuff. All right, it's already posted. Oh, there it is. Yeah, it's already open. All right. See what else we got here. Yeah, I got some lagging issues there. Oh, I never thought of that. I'm going to try something different today. I'm going to play the music off my iPad instead to see if that works better. Hopefully that stays in the background. And then it's not going to mess with my stream this way. I should have a better stream now. At least I hope I do. All right, I hope that won't play my sounds though. All right, I gotta find a better way. All right, let's see what we going on here. I don't know if it's gonna do much for the stream, but all right, streams, streams. All right, traders. Let's go about our day here. All right. Okay, so keys to today. So Nvidia gained 277 billion in market cap yesterday. The company is now valued at 1.95 trillion dollars. Yikes. All right, and then Nasdaq has its biggest day, 3% in years. The Nasdaq still did not make new all-time highs. The Magnificent Seven now make up over 33% of the S&P 500, approximately the same amount as the top 7 stocks going into the dot-com crash. You know, Gareth Soloway keeps talking about, it's being really top-heavy at these levels, and he's very bearish. Well, not very. He's just bearish, it seems like he's bearish in general. He's a really good technical trader, man, so this could just be what the charts are telling him, and, that just means that he knows more. Okay, oil is up 10% on the year, hammering on a broken above $79 per barrel. Implications to inflation are obvious. Should this push higher, upper resistance would be at $85 per barrel. And then the U.S. and China are the key. The U.S. and China are the keys here. The longer the U.S. can go without a recession, and the more China stimulates to get their economy out of a deep trouble, the more positive for oil. Square reported earnings beating nicely. The stock is surging over 15%. While the earnings were mixed, outlook was very strong. And I think Burger King is dropping sharply. No, BKNG is dropping sharply. The travel company was up 100% in less than 6 months. While travel looks strong, worries over competition and consumer pulling back, Expedia are causing investors to take profits. Carvana jumped 30% on extremely strong guidance. The company has been restructured but still faces big interest payments and are burning through cash. And then Meli sells top estimates but earnings miss on tax hit. The stock is falling 7% pre-market. Mercado Libre has risen 60% since October into earnings report. There you go, guys. Those are your top keys for today's trading. Hopefully that serves you well. Sorry, guys, I keep messing with my mic. Okay, and then let's set up our pre-market here. So this is going to be super interesting with the SPY because the SPY is so strong right now that it's going to be a challenge here to, let me see what it does here. Yeah, everything's pumping. Man, Warner Brothers sucked balls this morning. All right. What are we doing here? We are supposed to be going to a SPY and setting up our pre-market highs and our pre-market lows. So let's check that out. Well, there you go, guys. Look at that chart, man. It's pretty incredible. Look at that run, dude. I mean, the move was to just stay patient and stay in SPY. But yeah, this thing's on another level. All right, let's check our pre-market highs, pre-market low, activate. That is our high for the day. We're already over yesterday's highs. And this is the low. It's quite a range, huh? All right, so that looks good there. And then we're gonna do our pre-market high here. Yeah, what a move here on SPY, man. It's pretty incredible to watch SPY and what it's been doing. It's pretty amazing, guys. I mean, to be part of the market and be present for these kind of moves on SPY is pretty amazing. There it is. So that's our those are going to be our levels for today. Let's watch the 15-minute chart here. And yeah, those are our levels. We're probably going to hit new higher highs on the pre-market, so stay tuned for that. And then we are sitting on calls today for Tesla. We are probably about like $9 away from the money. It's going to be tough to make it, but we're going to see if we can get a pump on it today and see if we can hit those levels. That's also our average on Tesla shares, so we should be in the money here. Hopefully, we can get up there. And then Boeing is our put for the week, but it's I mean, it's just hanging tough, man. What can I say? It's hanging tough. Hello, week. So funny. All right, trader. So we're gonna be watching the market today. Let's see what the market brings for us today. Should be an interesting day. I don't like that I don't have my sounds. That's annoying. All right, well, AMD is getting ready to take off. Gotta fix this mic. Let's see what the day brings for this stock here. It's still inside that freaking bracket. Jeez, man. Look at that. All right. And AMD is doing this damn thing. We're just want to look around the market today. All-time highs are across the board. S&P's 5,094 on the S&P. Futures 5,010. So things are looking like they're going higher. TTD, ARC, Piton, man, selling off. I mean, Peloton seems like to be a really good acquisition, you know, like a good buyout target. That's the only reason we're hanging on to that. Amazon pump into, yeah, everything's green today. Warner Brothers took a dump. It sold off pretty bad in the morning after it reported earnings. Oh, this stream is so the quality's not good. If it gets better without that thing streaming in the background. But what's up, traders? What's going on with you guys, man? What are we training this week? Yeah, don't forget we got a giveaway going on until the middle of next month. So make sure you guys check that out. It doesn't really seem to make a big difference. Scrappy on Tradecaster. All right, so we've seen the SPY hit this pre-market high here. See how it reacts to that level. Just keeping an eye on it today. We're really not gonna be trading today as much. We're just gonna watch the market and see how things position themselves and just do a little commentary on it. No, it's probably better that way though. Oh yeah, I know it's gonna do it. Yeah, the stream looks like it looks really weird on Tradecaster. We don't think it makes a difference then. All right, SPY hitting a new high here on after pre-market. I mean, you got about 12 minutes till the market opens. Quality looks terrible on the stream. Looks terrible. All right, well, nothing I can do about that, man. New high on SPY here. Pre-market. Wow. Big time new high. I have nothing open. Yeah, it looks horrible. Stream looks horrible. Yeah, look at that. Can't even see me. Everything looks fine here, though. That's kind of weird. Yeah, it looks like the stream's not streaming well. I mean, I like to know, other than resetting my entire computer, I'm not going to do all that. No, I'm not going to do all that, especially this close to the market open. It was just a crappy stream today. All right, I'll stop doing the background music, see if that helps. Yeah, I don't know what can be causing all of it. It's just probably just lagging. Computer's just lagging. Arc, Piton. Yeah, it's terrible. Oh no, hell no. I can't deal with this non-background music, man. Really can't deal with that. This looks, I mean, why, I don't know why the stream looks so bad. All right. Maybe it'll fix itself. Yeah, it looks terrible on Tradecaster. It looks horrible.
Fight. Ready.
Take me to church. Yo, there you go. That's probably better. It just sucks that I can't play my sounds. All right, here's Boeing here doing a little bit of a cheek leg. Let's see if we can get that put off of Boeing. Sucks, man. It doesn't look bad here. It just looks bad on Tradecaster. Weird. All right, traders, we have about 5 more minutes till the market opens.
Ready.
I can't believe that doesn't play in the background. No, it doesn't. I mean, when I look at my OBS, it says that CPU, everything looks fine. You know, 48 frames per second. Haven't dropped any frames. I mean, everything looks fine. Just watching it looks bad. All right, continuing to watch here. So Boeing, we're sitting on puts for Boeing, but we don't know if we're going to hit those today because it's starting to get a little bit of a... I mean, the way the market feels right now, everything's like it's lifting everything. The market's being lifted by everything right now. So weird. All right, so SPY is all-time highs here, 509.43. Enjoy that. And then Boeing, we wanted to kind of drop here. Hopefully we get another leg down, sub 200, get some cash there. Damn, it never got better. That connection. Oh man, Tesla's not it's not doing well here. It didn't even do good overnight. I thought it was gonna pop overnight and it didn't. All right, Peloton. Arc's making a nice pump up. Ever since this move down here at $47, he's making a great move up. TDD, we were in the money yesterday. Might prematurely close that. And Tesla looks like it's about to roll over here. Yeah, it's not look healthy for Tesla. Unless we get a major pump to the upside. People don't like Elon, man. He's talking too much smack right now too. I got about 2 minutes till the market opens. Let's get ready to trade. Make sure we are in the right place in our minds. Not bringing any emotion to the trading desk here. And good luck today, traders. You got about 1 minute till markets open. Let's see what the market has for us today. All right, couple seconds here till the market opens. About 30 seconds now. Let's get ready to trade. Apple's shot up. Damn, look at Warner Brothers, bro. Warner Brother. All right, market's open. Good luck, traders. All right, there's Boeing selling off. We want to see that. All right, there's Boeing selling off. We want to see that on the Boeing side. And then AMD's gonna resume in this upward trend there. That was clapped. All right, SPY, new high, pushing higher, pushing everything higher. So we're really flying now on the SPY side. Make some money on Boeing today. And then Tesla too, to the upside. All right, here we're going. Boeing breaching that $200 level, and then Tesla just broke that downward resistance. See if that connection improves. All right, Boeing selling off hard, man. Another big sell-off on Boeing. Wow, it's not good. There's Tesla. Yeah, Tesla's pumping. It needs to fill that gap. We can fill that gap up here with Tesla. We'll power through. Nigga, Boeing, even though it's already like in the money or close to the money, it just. I don't like this music because it has words in it. Let's check the summer vibes. All right, there's Boeing selling off really hard now. We're sub 200, 199.30. All right, watching Boeing sell off really hard. So Boeing got a report today saying that a lot of the business is going to go to Airbus now as a result of these guys just doing a poor job with their quality control. So yeah, so Boeing is probably going to sell off into the day today. Felt like we should have bought more contracts on that. Wow, look at Boeing, man. Overall market looks pretty strong, though. We can just get Tesla above that 205 level, which is going to be really difficult today. I think they had 197 on Boeing for the put side. Does this thing get halted or what? Oh, it's gonna hit to that lower part of the range. That never got better. Jeez, man, look at Boeing. Wow, Boeing is like tanking, man. So it's bouncing off the lower range of the weekly anticipated move here for Boeing. That's super interesting, man. It ended up hitting the lower part of the range. Yeah, I don't know what happened to my stream today, man. It's terrible. Oh, I want to look at this, right? Yeah, I don't know what's causing all that delay, man. I thought I was streaming. Yeah, it's so weird. I don't know what's going on. It says here that I'm supposed to be streaming, and I thought I was streaming. That's so weird. Yeah, everything seems excellent here. I don't know why it looks so crappy on Tradecaster. Yeah, it looks terrible. I don't have no idea why. Yeah, I have no idea why the stream looks so terrible today. All right, well, whatever, dude. What can we do? We can just stream, have fun, do our stuff. Man, BA, it is, wow. I wonder if it's going to continue to sell off today. Boeing is. Wow. 197, they called it. They had 197 puts on there. Tesla working its way up. It looks like we're also getting a little top heavy as well, so I wouldn't be surprised if we hit some major turbulence up at these levels. Man, look at SPY gapped up. Jeez. TTD's falling. ARK. Man. Wow, Warner Brothers sold off hard, man. And Apple, looks like they hit that 200-day moving average. Looks like we're seeing a little bit of a pullback on the market. Yeah, man, our stream was terrible today. I don't know what happened. No money there. All right, gonna continue to watch that. See how that happens. Yo. All right, just continuing to watch the sell-off on Boeing. Boeing selling off pretty hard. Looks like we hit a little bit of a top here across the market. Just looking at all the stocks across the market here, they all seem to hit a little bit of a resistance level here. Yeah, everything looks excellent here, man. It's just the stream on Tradecaster looks horrible. I have no idea why. Let me see if I have to go to YouTube right now and check out my stream. How would it look? Let me go to Cali Trailheads here. Hey guys, if you guys are watching here in the lobby with me, let me know how the stream looks. It looks terrible on my end, so I can't even make it out. Yeah, it doesn't even say that I'm live. Yeah, it just looks terrible on Tradecaster. let's try this. All right, see if that works. So, I don't know why it looks so bad in here. Yeah, no, it looks fine. It looks fine on YouTube. I don't know what's going on with Tradecaster. I think Tradecaster's having the issue, but not YouTube. YouTube looks fine. Look at that bounce on Boeing. Yeah, it's so weird. Man, Boeing. I mean, sorry, SPY 510. Jeez. Good job on SPY, man. Wonder if it's Tradecaster. Yeah, I haven't had this issue before. This is the first time. Oh, Peloton's selling off hard again too. Ooh, TTD. Good thing we got out of that yesterday. Things like some stuff starting to reverse a little bit here. Well, there's sure SPY. Look like we want Tesla to break to the high side too, and Boeing's gonna probably sell off into the day. Yeah, it's so strange today. All right, so yeah, I don't know what's going on with the stream here today, guys. I know that the streaming on YouTube looks really good, but the Tradecaster one does not look so good. So I'm not sure what's going on. So if you're joining me on YouTube, thank you for joining me. Make a say something in the chat if you want. Other than that, we're gonna continue to watch the market here. We are sitting on some AMD puts as well, and SPY puts that we placed yesterday. They're probably already losing, but we're gonna hang on to them and see if they pay. AMD 175 put. That's where we're at on AMD. So let's put that up here. I know it's probably not a good thing to be shorting stocks like that. They're pretty aggressive right now to the upside, but that's how the money's made, guys. At the end of the day, that's how the money's made, meaning that you got to be a contrarian. Got to kind of go against the grain sometimes, even though it might not be probably the smart thing at the moment. But that's how I do it. That's for 2.23. So that were placed yesterday. We'll put that on the left here. I've been so distracted trying to get this stream to work, but whatever, dude. I'm not gonna worry about it. I gotta trade here. Okay, so watching AMD approach our put level here. See how that plays out. And we're making already money on Boeing. Boeing's going really good for us right now. All right, so that's what we're doing right now. Watching AMD sell off a little bit. We are also sitting on puts for SPY, but I don't think we'll get there. It's 502. But this AMD might hit. So we'll keep an eye on that. All right, guys. Thanks for joining me today. Sorry, I was having I'm a little distracted. I was just having, I'm streaming on Tradecaster and on YouTube this morning, and my stream on Tradecaster looks terrible. And I just been focused on trying to get it to to work, but it just doesn't work. So I put my YouTube link as well. So if you guys want to check out the YouTube stream, it looks a lot crispier than this one that I'm on right now. And then don't you guys have something to chat. We could put something in the chat if you want to put something in the chat there. Just to let me know that you're seeing the stream clearly. But on Tradecaster, it looks really bad. And this music's, what the fuck's up with this music, man? It's like make me go to sleep. Let's see if this one's better. But sometimes I don't like about these streams that they talk. It's like, I don't want to hear you talk. I want to just hear the music. All right, continuing to watch our positions here. We're sitting on AMD puts, Boeing puts that are in the money already. And then we have Tesla calls that are probably not going to print. Yeah, I don't need that too high either. All right, so... All right, traders. So we're watching Boeing sell off pretty hard. Had some really... It continues to have bad news because now everybody's saying that all the business, Airbus is going to get all that business that Boeing is going to lose as a result of them, just having all the issues that they've been having with their planes. So very interesting to see there. And most likely, sub 190 today. Oh, that'd be great for us. But yeah, major sell-off. I mean, look at this pattern, right? And this is what we talk about when I try to mention about practicing patience and trying to find A+ setups only. It's so much easier to talk about it and to say, oh, yeah, I'm looking at the A+ setups. And it's very difficult to do because you want to trade. You want to be in the action. You want to feel that little feeling that we get by being in trades. However, when you can find a setup like Boeing, like yesterday I was watching it, and I'm like, oh, man, it's time to go heavy on puts here. It's about to break this line of support, and sure enough, and it just sold off pretty hard. And look at today even more. I mean, like I said, we might be sub 198 by the end of the day. We're already pretty deep in the money here. We made $100. We have 100% return on this trade right now. I guess Spies kind of hit a top there too. Fridays are notorious, man. Fridays are just notorious for taking on the money, right? It lulls us to sleep, and then it tries to take our money. It just like right now, right? Like it feels like we should be in calls. Like calls should be the move, but probably not. So we're starting to see a little bit of reversal there. I mean, the pullback is granted because of such a major climb that we've had the last couple of days here. Wow, look at that dump on Tesla. What's happening with Tesla? Was that a dump or a liquidation? Oh, that's scary. Well, there goes AMD, man. AMD is within a couple bucks of hitting that put target. And I don't know what the hell's going on with Tesla. Fantastic Four. Always talking shit, man. Yeah, I don't know what's up with this little dump on Tesla, man. That's scary. I don't know what that's about. Looking across, man. The VIX is down. Things look TDD dumping. Good thing we got out of that yesterday. ARK is a little bit of a dump. Peloton is selling off hard. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with Peloton, man. That's just terrible. Amazon, little bit of a pullback. Looks like a pullback across the market, guys. So something's up. Something's up across the market. I don't know what could that be. AMD's tanking a little bit too. That's good to see. 179.80. Yeah, AMD's got some money. It's got some premium left there. Yeah, I wonder what happened or what's going on. And then look, this Boeing breached that 197.15 hit a low there. Jesus. I wonder if it's Tradecaster. Oh, there goes AMD now, 179.57. Not sure what's going on with Tesla. And then Boeing is probably just gonna sell off all day. That's huge volume at the gate. So unless it's, I mean, 1.6 million shares traded in the first hour of Boeing, selling off pretty hard. Looks like SPY is just getting ready to make another push to the upside. Damn. Yeah, something's up with Tesla, man. I mean, it feels like it's gonna pop. That's what it feels like. Like it's just gonna pop. Or there's your SPY regaining strength here, getting ready to make another push to the upside. Interesting to see AMD sell off, though. I wonder if it has something to do with chips in particular. Yeah, I'm just gonna stay on here and watch it here. All right, so Boeing selling off. Something's up with Tesla. We'll see how that happens. But AMD is selling off pretty hard too. Wonder what that's about. Yeah, I'm curious to see what happened with Tesla. That was a pretty nasty. And then watching AMD here sell off pretty hard. First hour here, 179.32. Looking for 175. I don't know if we'll get there. Yeah, so see, it says everything's healthy, everything's fine. Not sure what the deal is on Tradecaster. Yeah, I wonder if I'm being blocked or something. Anyway, whatever, guys. It is what it is. All right, watching Boeing here, 199.02. Wow, nice bounce off of Boeing. AMD's continuing to sell off here. It's currently at what EMA line is this? That 21-day EMA line. It broke the 5-day. See what it does there. I don't know what's going on with Tesla, guys. Tesla's oh, look at AMD, guys. Wow, that's a little bit of a gift. If we can sell off on AMD, that'd be a gift. Even if we can sell off on SPY, that'd be great. But we're way down there. I don't know if it'll give up that many points. I doubt it. Yeah, AMD looks juicy right now for a put. I don't like that Boeing gave it back up. Yeah, it looks like everything's starting to... It feels like things are starting to reverse a bit. Oh, what do you guys think? Look at AMD, man. Nice big red candle there. We're watching SPY break this pre-market high here. Whoa, on AMD, man. Wonder what's going on. Any news? Any news on that? SPY's reversing too. Nah, man. I think that's maybe just a healthy pullback, huh? Yeah, interesting dynamic this morning. I don't know what's going on here, but AMD's 178.29 is reversing. I don't know what's going on there. And same thing with SPY. And then Tesla had a major dump. Wonders if there's any news. Now Peloton's selling off hard too. I wonder what's going on with Peloton. Apple, a little bit of a pullback on there too. Amazon, Warner Brothers sold off like crazy. Lyft just kind of going sideways for right now. TTD down hard. ARC, yeah, it looks like a lot of things are starting to reverse. I wonder what's going on. Yeah, not a good day on the streaming thing today. All right, so we're watching AMD breach that 21-day EMA line. That's interesting there. And then Boeing is trying to make its way back, but it's probably going to sell off into the day. Here, you think we have? I don't think the candle closes at 7 a.m. or 7:30. So we'll see on that. Yeah, pretty interesting on AMD, man. I don't know what the deal is on that. Nice pullback on it though. I wonder if Nvidia is pulling back. Let's go look. Man, TTD is dumping. Nah, everything is good. Peloton's selling off hard. I wonder what's the deal with Peloton. They're about to buy it probably. Yeah, and Warner Brothers. Whoo, major dump on that. Yeah, interesting, guys. Interesting. Markets looks like it's gonna sell off. Oh, puts might have been the play after all. Yeah, being here at all-time highs, man. It just feels like anything's gonna pull the market down. I want to look at myself here better, because at least here I don't look all pixelated. So Tesla's selling off. Is still respecting this downward trend here. We're watching AMD sell off as well. Probably about $2 away from our strike price. And then Boeing is just probably going to sell off into the day. Yeah, I don't know what happened to my stream today. That sucks, man. That really does suck. Well, whatevs, man. We're going to have a good time anyway. It's Friday. Market's selling off. Let's see how we end up the day. Those Boeing should pay solid, though. Should save our account. It's still early, though. 7:01, barely 7:01 on the West Coast. This is Shimano Trader on the Spread. Live trading show 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesdays, Friday, 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. Pacific time. Please subscribe to our channel. Subscribe to our stream. Check us out on Instagram at Shimano Trader. And stay in contact.
Good luck, traders.
Yeah, so nice reversal on SPY here. I wonder how much room it has. I know that they were talking a lot yesterday about a gap being filled. We had a big pop, and there's some chit chat about gaps being filled on the SPY. So I don't know, man. We'll see how the day plays out. No need e-statements. All right, so you're seeing AMD with a little bit of a pop there. Not a pop, but like a reversal, or it found some support at this level, and now it's testing that 21-day EMA line. See what it does there. Boeing continues to sell off. Tesla selling off too, is down $3. And SPY also found some support here. So we're going to see if it's going to continue higher or going to roll over. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if we're just setting us up for a dump later today. Or, yeah, like a flush. All right, there's AMD. Found a little bit of support there. AMD came up a bit. You know, the premium came up a little bit. So We're going to continue to watch AMD here. Obviously, Boeing is selling off. It's probably going to sell off the entire day unless it finds a catalyst down here. And then SPY, little top heavy, little bit of resistance above the pre-market high. And then Tesla's also kind of found some, it's respecting that downward trend. So it can't seem to, once it filled the gap here, I think this was Wednesday. Once it filled this gap, it retested the gap fill again, and it just kept failing at this gap level, and it's continuing to fail there. So what that would mean to me is that there is real strong sell pressure here, and then we're going to try to break this sell pressure. And if Tesla can break this pressure, obviously, you know, the 200s are on tap. Yeah, but everything on my YouTube stream looks crisp and clean. I'm not sure what's going on with Tradecaster streams today. I mean, when I look at other people, it looks fine. It's just mine that doesn't look that great. So I just honestly don't know what it is, and I'm not gonna worry about it. Which means I should be playing my YouTube on my computer, my background music, so I can do my soundboard. Yeah, Tesla, man, it broke this level here. Terrible. Kind of look around here. VIX is down. S&P 511, 5,111 seems to be the top there. Yeah, it feels like it feels to me like this is it for SPY. Like, I don't know if we're gonna go any higher. I'm saying that as I'm not watching the chart. I'm just kind of looking around But I do get that. I get that vibe just based on watching the market right now. Like, it feels like this is the top of the market. But I hope I'm wrong. Hope you're long and I'm wrong. I mean, I say that because I'm short. Yeah, but I like how AMD has lost the EMA support here for the 5-day EMA line. I like that. That's encouraging for from a put perspective. You can see if it can continue to push this thing down lower. It doesn't have much to go. And we're getting some of that premium back already too. Yeah, Boeing's looks really weak. Maybe because I was watching option flow too. Maybe the computer just needs a complete restart. Maybe that would help. All right, continue to watch AMD here. We might be able to hit the AMD puts today. We'll see. No, I don't want to go paperless. Unlike AMD, SPY has not lost the 5-day EMA support. It's still respecting that support there. Man, I can't believe that stream looks so terrible on Tradecaster. When you look at my YouTube one, it says excellent connection. It looks nice and crisp. So strange. All right, Tesla's starting to resume its downward move, and AMD is kind of testing that 21-day EMA line, see what it's going to do there. Man, little by little, that leap call on lift is just little by little, it's just dying. That's terrible. All right, we're gonna see what Boeing did. We gotta keep an eye on Boeing. Boeing's our big put play for today, but you can see that it's kind of finding a little bit of support down here. Yeah, I like the way AMD's candle formation is forming to the downside. So we're gonna try to keep an eye on that. Oh man, look at Boeing now, starting to find a little bit of a. Let's see. It can go really quick to being in the money to being out of the money, really quick. It doesn't take much. Oh yeah, look at AMD, man. Just need Tesla to like really pump, but it's not doing that. Yeah, AMD is definitely going to sell off today, at least for the next, from what I can tell here, it's going to sell off for the next, maybe the next hour or two. And we're starting to see SPY kind of test that 5-day EMA line, see if it's going to respect that support level there. Seeing a little bit of a comeback on Boeing. Yeah, look at fucking Boeing, dude. Like it hit the lower level, so I mean it's done what it said it was gonna do today. All right, traders, continuing to watch AMD here. Tesla sell off a little bit. AMD, we're sitting on puts. Hopefully, we can get in the money on that today. And then Boeing, we're currently in the money, but we're seeing a little bit of a retracement here on Boeing. Looks like it's trying to make its way back up. We got to stay under $200 to make some money on that today. Yeah, this stream looks terrible on TradeCaster. It'd be great if we can get Tesla to resume its upward trend here, but it's looking very, very tough. Yeah, it doesn't look too good there. It's like a little bit of a pause here before the next move up. Yeah, it's crazy how that stream just stayed crappy the entire time. It never even recovered. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if Boeing makes a little bit of a comeback to 200. You're watching SPY here bounce off the 5-day EMA line. That's healthy. Yeah, little by little, Boeing is making a little bit of an attempt there to bounce back. It's kind of dead today. The action feels like not a lot's going on. I mean, the last 2 days have been like non-stop up. And that's why there's a real case or a probability that we just pull back a little today and not get a lot more action. But yeah, the market doesn't care what I think. Yeah, you see they're starting to build a little bit of a base at this level here, respecting the pre-market high. It's now using that as support. Well, these jams are pretty good though. But I think if SPY loses some support here, we could definitely flush a bit, just a bit. Yeah, pretty, not a lot of action going on. A little bit of a pullback on Apple as well. Warner Brothers got clapped. Nvidia up $23 today. ARK gave it back up. ARK had a nice move to the upside. We're sitting on long-term calls on this, I think, right? I think we're sitting like on 70 calls for like April or something on ARK. Yeah, but that thing's all over the place. It never hit the upper range of the expected move. No, it never did. Never did. Oh, there's a little shoot on Peloton, trying to make back up to that all-time resistance level. And then Boeing making a little bit of a comeback. SPY respecting the 5-day EMA line. Yeah, Boeing can take all our premium today. You know, it was up $100 this morning, and our greedy decided not to take that. So now we gotta wait to is it gonna give it back, or is it going to resume the downward move? Where's Bitcoin at? Oh, Bitcoin's breaking. It's testing that 9-day EMA line. You're getting a little bit below it. Why is the Dixie dollars a little flat like your X? All right, let's see. Yeah, man. To me, you know, if I had to make a guess on the sentiment, it might be a little toppy. No, toppy. You know, toppy. And I wouldn't be surprised if we we start selling off here. Just because it's Friday and people want to take their profits and go home. So I wouldn't be surprised if we do sell off. We were up 100% on our Boeing puts, and now we're only up 12% on those contracts in just a matter of minutes. Yeah, I'm gonna draw a little trend line here. I mean, it's hard to see, right? I know, but just just for entertainment purposes. 507 would be the downside. I wonder if we would sell off hard. Like, what would happen? I mean, it would have to sell off a lot for SPY to be in the money on some of our put contracts with SPY. But AMD's got some bearish sentiment in my opinion, especially now that it's under the 5-day EMA line. We're gonna see what it does there. Boeing's 5-day under the 5-day EMA line. It's gonna try to retest that $200 level, but it's below it here. And then SPY, which we've drawn a little trend line on it to see if it starts kind of trending down. But it's got to make a decision here with the 5-day EMA line and the downward trend line, creating a little bit of a wedge there, almost forcing it to kind of have to pick a direction. Yeah, my stream was terrible on TradeCaster today. Come on, Tesla, what the heck, man? Make the move, make the move. Damn, man, no checks. All right, so you're seeing SPY here react to this downward resistance and then the upward support on the 5-day EMA line. So we shall see here what direction it will pick. It doesn't have to pick a direction. I don't mind a bull flag on Boeing. That'd be great. But yeah, we're gonna keep an eye on that there. But it looks like SPY is probably gonna push higher there. It feels like it's pushing a little bit higher, and then AMD. I don't know if it's got enough of a downward pressure to lose $3 more. It's 175. Want to put 74.99? It's funny. But if Tesla can find some upward, that'd be great. I'd be okay with that. Yeah, I wonder if AMD's going to give it up, man. I can save some premium there. That was interesting on Tesla, though. That's a 30-minute, right? So I think that 30-minute is where I see all the 200. Yeah, there's the 200-day touch. Yeah, here's all the touches of the EMA line. Huh. Yeah, I wonder what it's going to do here. Yeah, you see SPY here too, like starting to give it up a little bit, starting to feel a little bit of bearish sentiment here. Now there's your AMD, man.